Children today are growing up in a world of constant stimulation. Yet many struggle to maintain focus, patience, and meaningful engagement. So, how can we turn attention into an adventure? Melody Adventurer is an educational play system that combines storytelling, music, and physical interaction. Designed for children aged 6 to 10, it transforms attention training into an engaging adventure. Every component was designed to balance learning, durability, and adaptability. The foldable pegboard structure makes the system easy to store, transport, and reconfigure. NFC-enabled story cards connect physical interaction with digital storytelling. Modular musical keys allow multiple track configurations.
In play mode, the experience becomes interactive. As the story unfolds, key moments trigger pauses in the narrative, inviting the child to take on the role of a melody adventurer and actively participate in the journey. Before each challenge, children are free to arrange the track themselves, designing their own path and preparing for the next task. The experience begins by inserting a narrative card into the storytelling module.
Welcome, Melody Adventurer.
When the story reaches an important moment, the system pauses and presents a musical challenge. The child reads the musical sequence displayed on the screen, places the corresponding musical keys onto the track.
Once everything is in place, presses the knob to check the melody.
Play your melody, adventurer.
And releases the ball. As the ball rolls across the keys, it creates a melody and activates the feedback system. If the melody is correct, the story continues. If not, the system encourages the child to try again. This cycle of listening, thinking, building, and playing continues until the story reaches its conclusion. In listening mode, the narrative module can be detached from the main structure and used independently as a portable storytelling device. And when not in use, the system naturally integrates into the home environment, functioning as a small decorative shelf.
Build the melody. Become the adventurer.